Hi, my name's Dan Walker. I'm the Director of Business Development for Tsugami REM Sales, and we're at MD&M West 2020. We're here today with our SS207 5-axis LaserSwiss. The Tsugami LaserSwiss was developed with an idea in mind that there was a need in the industry, and that need was to consolidate operations into one operation. As the innovators of this technology, we control the entire process. We design and build the laser head in our ISO registered facility in Connecticut. This product was designed to help our customers become more efficient in their manufacturing. So everything that we do is based on the feedback that we receive from our customers, and it goes directly into the manufacturing of these machines. Normally things that would take several operations, we're able to consolidate it into one. The LaserSwiss comes across many different platforms, from a 12mm machine all the way up to a 38mm and everything in between. From MD&M in Anaheim, we look forward to seeing you next at IMTS in Chicago.